Star design. This is how I made this. From here, from where are you watching from? Me, I am in Dubai. You can hear those airplanes. Okay, this is how I made this. From this is my last stitch, and then from the second one insert the needle and then pull, and then from here insert from here in the third hole, and then pull the thread. This is my third loop, and then here again pull the string. This is my fourth, and this next thread here pull. This is the fifth one, and then for the next thread pull again. This is the sixth, and then pull over the 6 loops, then close. That's how you will make. Okay, I will show you one more. This, and then from here pull, and then the next one like that. Here again, and then the next stitch. Okay, and then pull over the 6 loops, then close. So simple, isn't it? Okay, next I will show you, because this is two row two row design. Okay, fourth, and then from the next 2 stitch you have to pull over from the next 2 stitch, then there should be 6 here, 2 4 6, and then pull over the 6 loops, then close. Next, then here pull over from the 3rd stitch here, and then from the 4th stitch, and then this one, and then from the 2nd stitch, then you have 6 loops. Okay, that's so simple. Again, I will show you again. 3 4 5 then 6. Okay, pull over the 6 loops, then close, then This is star design. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then close, and then make one double stitch, and then this the last stitch from the first row. Pull over, then stitch. Okay, and then what you will do is make 2 stitches, 2 chain, then turn the material, and then make 2 half double chain. And then you'll have to check from the back if you are having a star design, all the holes here. This you'll have to insert 2 half design, 2 half stitches. Okay, double stitch, double chain. You can check if it is correct, if it is forming a star stitch. Okay, from the back. You can hear from our background there are airplanes flying because we are near the airport. Okay, this the home. We are near to Dubai International Airport. Two double chain on every stitch. Okay, from this, and then the next one will be there. Here. Okay, we'll see. Okay, this is the design. I will make same stitch here on this side also. Okay, I will create jewelry mesh. I will put here so that I can bring anywhere, because this is just, I will just fold like this or same. It will not be obvious that what is here is my jewelry.